Hello everyone, you are watching TM Foreign Catalyst Digital Twin for Network Operations Phase 2. Digital twin has been widely practiced in many different industries, achieving important social and business value. Digital twin network or network digital twin is based on the integration of resource data, network alarms, performance, service data, etc., and following the internal rules of network elements, equipment, and connections to model the communication network and to associate the static network model with the dynamic data in real time to realize a virtual mirror image of the physical network. On the basis of that, combined with simulation, data analysis, AI, it can provide visual, customizable, and iterative network data service such as fault playback, service solution simulation, and service prediction. With its continuous progress of new technologies such as dream detection and perception, image recognition, 3D modeling and simulation, and AI analysis, we believe digital twin can play a more important role in more scenarios. In the first phase of our project, we explored the case of variable resource and business operation status, realized file management and control for our own internal network operations, and also self-service and self-assurance for our business customers. In the second phase of the project, we'll work together with our partners from Vodafone, Sparkle, STC, Huawei, ZTE, and China Unitex, further improve predictive maintenance scenarios, carry out AI training and decision intelligence in the twin environment. We expect to meet you at next Team Foreign DTW to explore more details of our project. Please go to the Catalyst space where you can follow the project and contact the team. Thank you.